My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start the new chapter permutation and combination. In permutation and combination, first of all, we will discuss about factorial notation. What is factors? You know already about the factors, products of expressions. Here we will discuss about factorial. What is factorial? Product of all positive integers less than or equal to n is factorial of n. Is factorial of n. And we will represent factorial of n like this. This one. This notation you can check on the calculator as well. Okay. What I asked here in this definition, product of all positive integer less than or equal to n is n. Less than n will be 1 less than n is n minus 1. Then the next number will be n minus 2. Then one more less will be n minus 3. In the same way, we will continue, and product of all positive integer less than or equal to that number. Mean will go up to 3, then 2, then 1. 1 is the smallest positive integer up to 1. Suppose we are taking here 4 factorial. Then equal to 4 is 4. Less than 4 product of all positive integer is 3 into 2 into 1. This is 4 factorial. And when we will multiply 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24 into 1, 24. It means 4 factorial is 24. About 0 factorial, here I want to tell you 0 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is 1. How 0 factorial is 1? Before that, I will discuss here with you. As we have written here 4 factorial. This we can write like this: 4 into here 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If we are writing 3 factorial, okay, in 3 factorial we can write 3 into 2 into 1. Mean this we can write in 3 factorial also. It means this 4 factorial we can write 4 into 3 factorial. If we will stop in the way, mean up to 3 here, then we will place with 3 factorial. Okay, suppose 10 factorial is there, we can write 10 factorial is equal to 10 into 9 factorial. We can write like this. Now we will discuss how 0 factorial is equal to 1. 0 factorial is 1. N factorial in the same way as we have done here, this 10 factorial is equal to 10 into 9 factorial. Okay, this 10 factorial is 10 into 9 factorial, or 4 factorial is 4 into 3 factorial. In the same way, n factorial will be n into 1 less than n will be n minus 1. N minus 1 factorial, we can write like this. Then n factorial at the same place. Other side, this n is multiplying, this side will divide, and at the right side only n minus 1 factorial is remaining. Now at the place of n, we can substitute 1 on both sides. On both sides, we can do the same process. 1 factorial divided by 1 is equal to n is 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 factorial. Then you can check here, this 1 minus 1 is 0 factorial, and other side 1 factorial, 1 divided by 1 will be 1. It means 0 factorial is 1. I hope all you understood. Now we will start exercise 10.1. Question number 1 here is, work out using a calculator to find the value of each of the following using this key x factorial on your calculator to check your answer. First part here is 7 factorial. 7 factorial will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What will be the answer here? We will use the calculator. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And answer here is 5040. 5040. Then he is saying there one key is like this, x factorial. Check this from this key, your answer. Okay, this factorial key is on your calculator, they are available. Okay, now we will check 7 factorial. This 7 here is not x factorial, this here is this key is n factorial. Okay, then you will press this key. Look, 5040 mean 7 factorial is equal to 5040. You can cross check like this, okay, with your calculator. Then part B here is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. In these type of questions, you will check the denominator or you will check the numerator. The greater one you need to expand. As 4 factorial is greater, you will expand 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2. As in denominator there is 2 factorial, you will stop at 2 and place there the factorial divided by this 2 factorial as it is. Okay, then this 2 factorial and 2 factorial you can cancel. In numerator 4 3s are 12. 12 will be your answer. In the same way you can do these questions. Then I will do last part of this question. That is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Here is 5 factorial. 5 factorial we can expand 5 into 4 into 3 factorial because here in its denominator 3 factorial is available. Then after that no need to expand. 7 factorial. 7 factorial, we can write 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. After 4, no need to expand because here 4 factorial is available in its denominator. This 4 factorial cancel with 4 factorial. 3 factorial cancel with this 3 factorial. Then here remaining factors are 5 fours are 20, and here is 7 6 fives are 30, 37s are 210. Then this will be 4,200. Okay, 4,200 will be the answer. Now we are proceeding to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is, write each of the following using factorial notation. Here question is giving without factorial. We need to write in factorial form. 2 into 1. You know 2 into 1 is the product of first two positive integer, mean 2 factorial. We can write this in the form of factorial, 2 factorial. Then part B here is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And that will be 6 factorial. Now, last part of this question, you can see part F, 12 into 11 into 10, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. In denominator, there is no problem because that is 4 factorial. In denominator, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial. But in numerator, that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. In 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. Here we can write the factorial. If after that 7 factorial should be there, then this 12 will continue, and we can take the product up to 1 all the positive integer less than or equal to 12. All the positive integer can come if here will be this 7 factorial. 7 factorial was not available. This we have written by ourselves. Okay. If we are multiplying 7 factorial, then we have to divide with the 7 factorial as well. Then in numerator, now we can write 12 factorial divided by denominator is 4 factorial into 7 factorial. You can see here with all the terms factorial is there. Okay. Now this is in the form of factorial. Now we are going to next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is, rewrite each of the following using factorial notation. First part here is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. We will write in the form of factorial. n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. This will complete when there will be n minus 4, n minus 5 up to 3 to 1. Mean if we are writing here n minus 4 next factor, and with that we are placing factorial notation, then we can write this complete in the form of factorial. But this n minus 4 factorial was not available there in the question. We are multiplying by ourselves, then we have to divide the same thing, n minus 4 factorial. Now in numerator, you can see n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 factorial. This complete we can write n factorial divided by n minus 4 whole factorial as it is. In the last part of this question, part D, there is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then this n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 up to n minus 4 available there. Then we will write one more factor n minus 5 and we will take the factorial of that one. This 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 4 factorial. As here this n minus 5 factorial was not available there, then we have to divide with n minus 5 factorial as well. Then in the numerator, there will be n factorial divided by, in denominator, 4 factorial into n minus 5 whole factorial. 4 factorial into n minus 5 whole factorial. This is the solution.